Today's tip is going to be on how you press your signs on your heat press. So if you really want to do something where you're going to make sign making into a business, you really want one of the larger heat presses. So you really want at least a 15 by 20, and I'm going to show you why. I can take 3 8-inch signs and I can arrange them on here and I can press them all at once. So when we put on our fleece on the bottom, that means that we need to press our signs upside down. And the reason we do that is because if there's any little imperfection in the sign, the heat from the bottom is gonna fill it in. So this ink, it turns into a gas and bonds with the substrate, so the sign with the coating. So that heat from the bottom, that insulation from the bottom, is really gonna help make that fill in any little gaps. So you can see, I can see where my press ends just by looking at my paper on here, and I can arrange it so that I can press all 3 at one time. It saves a ton of time, and so it's something that you really want to invest in if you're going to be doing anything significant with sublimation.